Hello and welcome to this overview on Clik Compliance. Clik Compliance is an intuitive digital platform designed to help you manage certification and meet industry regulations effortlessly. Ideal for professionals overseeing legal documentation, compliance audits and safety standards. This overview explains how to add certificate templates to your bundles, create and complete a certificate, create and use pre-fills, share certificates, filter your list and manage your address book. This should give you all you need to get started with Clik Compliance. Let's start with bundles. Bundles allow you to select the certificate templates you want to use in Clik Compliance. You will have a subscription on your account that allows you to pick a certain number of certificate templates for your bundle. So to add a certificate template to your bundle, go to Certificates, Bundles, Add Template to Bundle. In here, I've chosen from the electrical category and selected the Minor Electrical Installation Works template and selected Add to Subscription. Excellent. I now have that added to my bundle and it can be used for all my users. You will see a list of certificate templates that you can remove if you no longer need them. For example, I can remove the VCC 25 certificate, which then allows me to select a new certificate template if I choose to do so. It's also an important section to decide on your validation rules. You can select Can Validate, Must Validate to Complete, or Must Pass Validate to Complete. Okay, that's it for bundles. Let's now move on to certificates. You can head to Certificates and click on Create New Certificate. This will bring up several categories depending on the certificate templates you selected for your bundle. I'm going to choose the electrical category and select the Minor Electrical Installation Work certificate. The first step we can take is either selecting a customer by typing in the name if they already exist in the database, or clicking the plus sign to add a new customer. Once the client is in, we can then start filling in the rest of the certificate by completing the areas you need. You will see a variety of text boxes and drop-down menus. We can also use shortcuts to fill in non-required fields. To do this, go to the three dots on the right-hand side and select Tools, NA for all blank fields. Now let's add a signature by selecting Add to the Signature section. It's worth noting that if you have set up signatures in Settings, you can just select Add Saved. You'll also notice you can add photos by going to Photos, selecting Add Photos, then choosing your photo and clicking Upload Photos. You can also create user comments for other users in Clik Compliance. For example, if you need a qualified supervisor to check and sign it off, you can simply mention the user and include that in your comment. Another great aspect of Clik Compliance is that you can assign another engineer to the certificate by going to the three dots and typing the engineer's name under Engineers. Okay, that's it for creating a basic certificate. Let's now validate the certificate by selecting Validate. As you can see, I have several fields that can't be NA. You'll see a red highlight around the field that you should consider changing. However, with the validation rule set on this certificate template, I can still complete it by going to the three dots and selecting Complete. Now that it's complete, you can share the certificate with various applications by selecting PDF certificate and selecting the app you wish to share the certificate with. You can also view the PDF or download the PDF to print. Another option is to create a pre-fill, which allows you to reuse the certificate with all the information populated. Simply click on Create Pre-fill, give it a description such as My Minor Works Default, and you're all set. Let's now use that pre-fill. Simply go to Certificates, Pre-fills. Click on the three dots next to the new pre-fill and select Create Certificate. It will then open a new certificate for you to finish. Now that we have several certificates, we can look at filtering by going to Certificates, Certificates. You can filter by date, engineer, status and a text filter for all columns. In this particular case, I'm going to select more filters, set the assigned engineer to John Smith and the status will be complete. And that's it. I have my desired filter. Let's now look at managing the CRM. Just go to CRM Customers. This section will allow you to add, edit and include more sites, as well as find your customers and view certificates linked to each one. Let's examine how to find certificates for a specific customer. Simply locate the customer and select certificate. From there, you can also create a new certificate for that customer by choosing Create New Certificate. That's it for a quick overview of Clik Compliance and the main areas. If you need more support, please go to our support centre found at www.kliksoftware.com.